In today's video, we're going to show you how to do an acrylic overlay, especially if you're a beginner. This video is for you. Step 1 is getting the right size acrylic pearl, and a good gauge is to get a pearl that's half the size of the nail bed. In this video right here, I learned how to pick up a small pearl, but this first one that I picked up was way too big. I had to take it off. The second one was a little bit better, but still I found myself terrified, staring at it, not really knowing what to do.
Just remember exactly what you just did. A lot of times we do something like that and we go, oh, it's too big, and we stare at it like, oh crap, oh crap.
It scares me.
Just wipe it off.
Okay. So I'm going to tap 3 times against the dish to lessen the liquid. That way I get a smaller pearl. As I set the pearl down, I want to make sure my brush is flush around the cuticle.
Yeah, and I like you're holding that finger down. You're letting gravity work for you.
Yeah.
And then when it kind of gets to where you want it, you tilt it back up.
Another problem I'm having is I'm not using the brush correctly to move the product around, which is resulting in a stair-step looking pearl.
And what I want you to do, Habib, is I kind of want you to ramp it.
Ramping the brush is keeping it in this position as I work the product around the nail. I'm feeling more confident now, picking up that small pearl. I understand this concept of ramping. Tracy had another great tip for me in this pearl.
You want to tuck it into that corner, and you can use the tip of your brush to do that.
Tuck it into here. Oh, I see. Oh.
How's that?
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Better?
Yeah, much better.
But see how you were ramping it when you did the tip?
Yeah.
So it's always, and what that does is it's going to push what you need out towards the free edge and give you kind of that arch.
Yeah. Now it's time to put it all together. 3 taps. 1, 2, 3, quick one. Turn it over. Wait 3 seconds. Drop it on there.
It's all about the 3s today.
And then using my brush, gonna get it in those.
Turn that finger. Make it, see?
Oh, yeah. Get it in those corners.
And then you can turn it, yes. Now use that brush, right, to ramp it, to push it out. So you're gonna be like...
Oh, like this?
Uh-huh.
Oh, I see.
See?
Oh, yeah.
Yes.
Oh, I see.
And that keeps it thin in the back.
Yeah.
Pushes the product.
Bulk in the front.
Mm-hmm. And even you can,
look at that.
And see, if you were to continue pushing it out, Habib, you could actually extend my nail a little bit.
Right, exactly. Yeah. Can you look at that? Look at the front?
Yep. So push it out a little bit more because my nail...
Oh, I see, okay. But with that ramping it, right?
Yep.
Like, that's how I want to do it.
Yep. And then you kind of, if you want to thin it out, the ramp kind of does that. See how it just thins it out in the tip?
Yeah.
Keeps the bulk in the stress area.
Look at it.
Nice.
It's pretty good, right?
Yeah. You file it, that's going to be a nice little short overlay.
Okay, so move on to the next one.
Let's do it.
So what I'm realizing is like the size of the pearl is so important, and to get a small enough pearl, I'm having to hit 3 times, and then 1, 2, 3. It's like 3 quick
light touches.
Light
right?
touches,
Yep.
yeah. And then wait 3 seconds, and then I can set it down, and then keeping it flush the cuticle, turn. I gotta turn that finger.
That way you get the sides.
Yeah, get the sides, exactly.
And see how you rotate?
Yeah.
It started to move to that side, but we just rotate it back.
It.
Let that gravity work. You can always feather it out.
I feel like...
Is it good?
I don't know, I feel like it's pretty good. I'm kind of getting that feel. The turning is huge, Tracy. Look at it.
Yeah. We for some reason, and I did the same thing. Go ahead and push this side out a little bit. Ramp it out.
What do you mean? Here?
Yep.
On this side?
Yeah, so even it out a little bit. There you go. Because it's at that clay, so you were able to, yeah. And you have a little bulk there.
Yeah, there's a little bulk there. But that's going to come down, right?
It's going to come down. The back is nice. You're tucked to the side walls. Like, good job. Sometimes I would miss a spot when I would do the overlay. Not an issue. Tracy told me just pick up a small pearl, place it in the area that you need it, and fill it in. Wipe off any excess that may be on there, and you're going to have yourself a beautiful overlay, even if you miss a spot.
here they are, my 2 overlays. I still gotta file and finish them, of course, but I really feel confident now with all the tips and tricks that Tracy showed me. Overlays are kind of fun.